Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day. I am playing a server that if you know Dark Thunderwolf, he was playing on this server. Today we are playing an enhanced and a high with a temperature of 68, with cape of 293, laps of 9.5, PWA of 0.8, surface reheat of 49%. Dew point is at 46, which isn't bad. 3 cape is at 143. The 0 to 6 the 3 to 6 laps rate is at 6.7. SRH is at 302. It's not bad. We get a northeast storm motion and a 51 mph day. So let's get chasing. And so we'll be chasing in we'll be chasing this in this Tornado Alley Tiv 2 with a Tiv 2009 Tiv 2 with me. But let's get rolling. So as you see, we are now chasing this stove type yellow TVS. It shouldn't be that bad. It's pretty small velocity. The couplet's getting bigger, but I think we'll be able just to get her. The thermos, it's gonna be going really slow, but that's good for this TIV because it needs to be really slow. So let's hope we get an intercept in it. Oh, looks like the weather just cleared up. It's fun. This is gonna take a good time of thinking to see where the thing is going. Oh, it just went orange. That's not good. Hope you don't have to do EMS on Mora. We shouldn't. I think we're good. See, the other Tiv 2's running a bit behind, but you gotta stop. That thing shifted a lot. No wonder it's good at stopping or slowing down. Oh, that other Tiv right there messed up. Let's see what we got. The straight up north. I think we're just gonna drop bird flaps here. We don't need the spikes, it's not that strong. Take cover now. Move to an interior on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Oh, I guess he tried too many times. Oh, we're getting 80s. 100. 103, 104, 105. Looks like we maxed out about 105. Cored it. It's nice. We cored it. Let's undeploy here. Guess front flap was being weird. Doesn't really matter. It happens. Let's do this. Lift up these spikes, or these flaps. There we go. Now we can start moving. We're gonna head up this way. Oh, it's already pink. That's not good. It's gonna be sketchy, but we're gonna try. This is a pink TVS. This is not fun. It's pretty nice. See, you can see the pistons that drive down the clock, drive these downs. Need you down. I don't believe that. We might have to probe. Is that a good spot? Try going east of 10. Oh yeah, east of 10 track's gonna be the best spot. Not really in the care of money right now, because as you see, I have pretty much every single TIV 2. But if you were watching that chaotic stream, you would know that fire tracks were flung. I was in the stream. We have got today was the start of storm chasing. But now it is just me, this guy, the final destroyer, the final hunter. But we're just gonna try to get close to it. To pink TVS. It's not cool. That guy, the poor guy, he had deployed by accident. I'm gonna head east, get up here, probably get up to there. Oh no, it's not good. Not good. This thing's getting pretty big. Get up here. Maybe our best spot. This thing to shift right towards us. Yes, that's good. You pull up to here, just swerve. Swerve. Okay, we're going pretty well, I say. We're going way over the speed limit. I think the speed limit is like 40. Don't think we should drop her yet. Yep, drop her. HTPOs. So I am using HTPOs on this, cause why not? I'm trying to go different here. Get a perfect shot at the TIV. Yeah, looks like we're in the perfect spot. Black TV, there's nothing. There's a tornado down south. Alright, let's see this. Give me my money. We are fully deployed. Let's see what we got. We have been hit with debris. It's not fun. Not cool, tornado, not cool. Oh, 150. 60. 65. Yeah, 170. That wasn't that bad. Got hit a little, but we're gonna get hit a lot. This back end is crazy. Oh no, he's getting it. Oh no. Let's see what we're deploy here. Gonna take a run all the way up to get my probes. Okay, TIV is almost deployed. We gotta get this one sucker up. We're gonna get down, probably down here, get down here, probably get on 53, get on that dirt road. That should be a good option. Yep. Screen is blurry, not cool. This is estimated gust of over 100. There's red on Trent. That's not good. Not good. Not good at all. Sounds like this guy's getting flung. Feel bad for the poor guy. Nice. He landed it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just driving. Uh-oh. Oh, he left. What? Said new tornado? Oh, that is not fun. That couplet is huge. If it's following the same path, that should be good. Where is that Alex guy? That's what I want to know. Y'all idiots are still push. Oh, I was not supposed to say that. Oh, it's nice. I could get on, stay on this one, or go. I'm gonna probably get on this one, then I can get up, go on the new one. Yeah, it sounds like a good idea. Oh, that one's already pink, because I can just go. I could just drive down, be in the intercept spot, get the intercept, trip back up, get into the intercept, or just down this road, get in the intercept. Oof. Poor guy got kicked again. This guy's been getting kicked a lot. Let's make sure I don't drive into the grass. That would be bad. Very bad. This tornado is probably pretty powerful pink TVS. Sounds like a grizzly is going in. It's probably not going to be safe for him. We're just going to sit right here and wait. Those two dust clouds next inside each other. Yes. The particles are inside each other. So it's new shift. Looks like it's making it go right for me. Please don't tell me anyone's chasing that. Okay, good. I have to. Oh, I jumped out. Oh no. Just go. You're gonna stop in Haram? It's a good idea. Why are you going more up? You should stop in 10 strike. This would be a better idea. Jeez, this thing is a drill bit. See if we can get up. There's another TIV. Get in front of this guy. Lightning. This thunder is crazy. Both orange. Cool. Good. Why are you in the duck? Wait, which way is he going in? Wait, where? But wait, what? Where is it? Oh. Yeah, that Elmore one did we? Oh, never mind. It's shifted a little though. Well, I think this is gonna be the end of this night. Welcome back. We have the new night. It is 7 in the morning. I am just standing out here with my Tiv. I do not know what's going on over here. Don't ask. Just got the Tiv here. Let's go over thermos. We have a 5 to 1. Our temperature is 71, pretty warm. Dew point is 63. It's pretty nice. We have a cape of 3,082. A lapse rates of 7.1. Our PWAT is going to be very nice. It's going to be 0.6. Our surface RH is at a high of 76. Our 3 cape is at 105. That is really good. Our 3 to 6 kilometer lapse rate is at 7.2. It's going to give us some good. This SRH is probably the best part, but it's going to give us the best part of the tornado. This is just for storm development. This is for tornado. Our 700 to 500 millibar reheat is at 28. Our hodograph looks like crazy. Well, I don't know what to call it. It has a turn. It has an angle down, another angle up, another angle, and then a short one, then all the way down. But we're moving at a steady southeast with 54 mile per hour. And now we have the final hunter with us. If you want to unmute. I just did.
Why, hello, fellow people. Hello, fellow people.
We're gonna have the best time with the Grizzly,
especially with me
and we also have this guy.
Yeah, the best time ever. Now, as of course, since I am on console, it will take me forever to chat.
Now we can.
We do have a fellow.
He's deployed. He is undeployed. Something I should do. Well, there. We are back. Yeah. We had a little misconclusion. We have now another. We have Ham is gonna be with us now. There he is. If you heard the noise, he's now with us. We have the full crew. As you already seen the.
Indeed. Oh yeah. Hey, Mike. If you look at radar, you can notice that we have
so we're gonna. I'm gonna go on for the farther one.
And something right. Yeah, because then we have a chance to let that one develop.
I don't know which one he wants to go on.
Yeah, you know. But since there's one right here, I mean, we're both in separate vehicles. Ham is in. I don't know if he chose the same truck or a different vehicle, but
yeah, we're both in the Tiv too, so it should be able to hear these. I don't know why you can barely hear us. My mic volume. I think it's you. I think it's your volume.
Yeah, there is an option to turn up our voices on Discord.
I'm gonna get out and launch my drone.
Alright, then you do that. I'm gonna step out and check if my. Oh, would you look at that? Hey, Mike. So we kind of have a couplet and
Oh.
soon to be rotation forming
Really?
right above
Oh.
us.
For your protection, move to an interior remote
Yeah.
floor of your home
Yeah.
business.
Yeah.
Heavy rains flood roads,
So
so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
could we move a bit
Trying to
down
see if
south
this
and
where
then
this
move east?
Mm.
Oh, oh, would you look at that? We have a
The
little
forbidden
funnel.
nipple,
We have
as
a
I like to
funnel.
call it. What are you doing back there?
Oh no. Hold on a damn second. Both of these storms have rotation.
Alright, we're gonna
Oh
get
good
moving.
lord. Tell Cloud.
Let's get moving.
This Tell
Let's
Cloud
get
right here
moving.
is almost touching the other rotation over there. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get moving. I'll get out of the IMAX position for now. I want to stay in the front. I call it shotgun. Because I want to see all the action. Oh shoot, so the rotation that's forming right above us shifted a bit south, just a tiny bit. So like it's
We're
gonna
not
head
heading.
for Viroqua. But the other rotation, it may.
And
Oh, we have
there's
touchdown on the
touchdown on
farther
this one because
and
I
it's
can't
going
see
for
anything. There we go.
Yeah. Holy frick. So if you check radar, you can see where we have it was a yellow
That's a third
TVS for a
stop.
second, but it swapped back to green. And it's headed towards Helma. So do you think we should deploy in Helma and
No.
wait there until
Oh,
it
dude.
shifts or head towards us?
That
Or what do you
other
think?
one looks way better. We're gonna put it right here.
Yep. I just hate the fact that every storm I intercept is always a floater, and so that means I don't really know if
That's
it's
why
directly going
oh,
from me.
that's that one down south. That
It
one
only
down east of us is pretty big. That dust cloud is big.
Oh shoot. I'm
I
looking
have my
east, but
drone
I do
out, so
not
I'm
see
getting an
no dust
aerial
cloud
view.
at all. No. Are you talking
Yeah.
about
There's a
southwest?
funnel.
Because the one over here, southwest of us, is huge, and
This
it's
one,
slowly starting to come
the
down.
southern one just dropped a funnel.
Luckily, oh, so the other one kind of hit Trent, I think, but it spiked up to a orange TVS for a split second, then went back down to yellow. And oh my gosh, it is headed fully west, and I think I should probably get inside because this tornado is a bit oddly
Oh,
close to
yeah.
us.
It's
Don't
not
you
gonna hit
think,
us though.
Mike? But yeah. The other one down east is gonna miss Helma just slightly, and oh my gosh, this one right here, south of us, southeast, it was an orange TVS, and so is the other one. But
I
they're
gotta get
switching back to
closer.
yellow and then repeating. But do you think we should start moving for the
We're
one
gonna
that
try to
is
get
like
to.
west northwest of us? Because it's shifted north of Helma. So we may get a possible intercept on 48.
My door wasn't closing.
Dang. Oh yeah, mind explaining to the viewers on any information that you have about this TIV that you
So
have
in
that's
real life,
absolutely
this too,
wonderful?
Sean Casey had a organization with a museum.
Your voice
So
is lagging.
he painted it Tornado Alley, and some people I call it TA TIV 2, which if you know about some storm chasing vehicles, you would know there's something called Tornado Attack, which is also called TA. But there's something but since this is a TIV,
Yep.
and we just hit a sign.
Um,
So this TIV was
Hold on a
actually in a museum
Hold on
for
a
2
second.
weeks, because he had a resignation for this thing to stay in a museum. So that's why on the side of the TIV it says Science Museum Omni Theater.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado.
Dear Lord, Mike, look at radar. The tornado
Oh
that was hitting
God.
to Veracruz, look at what it is. Look, dang it. It kicks me out the moment I tell you.
Yeah.
At least I have your friend in, so that means I can easily just join back. But, good golly Lord. Good sweet Lord. If that thing does not shift Veracruz, it's
That
gonna
one
be
could die out
just
quickly. This one
flat
could have a longer
carnage.
range. And I'm sliding.
Oh no. I'm trying to join back, but every time I get kicked, and well, I'm in Twisted playing in the same server as you.
Oh,
When I get kicked
there's a
out,
whole new rotation.
it just freezes for a bit.
Bears have
Oh, that's
triplets.
nice. So we're gonna have triple tornadoes. Yup. Not twins, but triplets. Spread it across the map, causing chaos. But while I'm trying to join and probably make it to the east side of Prior Lake,
You
or
should
just
hop in
spawn in
Grizz.
mid Prior
I'm about to
Lake,
get an.
my alright, so I'm on the east side of Prior Lake. So yeah, that means I'm at the Truckies. But since they did not want to get copyrighted, I'm just gonna call it Bucky's, since that's supposed to be the real name. Good golly Lord,
Alright.
all I see is free rolling death
Intercepting
clouds. So
102.
yeah. Grizzly, Grizzly is not gonna catch a break from me now. I am going to have to just
I got
keep
102
on using
max.
Grizzly every time I get kicked out. And now I gotta create combo.
That's a
102?
pretty
God
big.
damn.
I'm gonna start heading down to that one.
That thing barely been alive for like, what, 2 minutes and it's already that strong?
I better get him before I get
Good lord.
head tap with hail.
Now here's the thing that people should understand. Just because the funnel of the tornado
Yeah.
seems small doesn't mean it's weak. No matter what the size is. So if it's a wedge, doesn't mean it's strong. I have intercepted wedges with my probes before that were like
What did you
3
intercept? What
TVS and
days
that's
did you
it.
intercept him on? Oh. This
High risk.
tornado over here looks pretty strong, if you ask me.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, holy good golly lord, this one. Oh shoot, I already passed you. Maybe
Yeah, that's where
regroup
it looks
back
like
up
it's
at
going,
Helga
so.
by any chance?
Oh, shifting. Even more down south.
Good lord.
No. That's this one.
Touchdown and pink. A new one?
I'm.
So the one going towards me and you. Holy frick, I see one home that is almost completely slabbed. The only thing that's still alive is the foundation. And 2 other homes too. And another one. And another.
This
That
is
is
the.
like what, 5 of them? Okay, even more. Yeah, every
So
time I
yeah.
look around I keep on seeing more. Good lord. I think I should floor it and get back in TA2
Yeah.
immediately and get in the IMAX position. We need some good footage of this thing. Good footage. So I gotta position the IMAX. Open the hatch. And then IMAX. Good lord, I'm getting some good footage of this thing. And
Yeah,
I'm
you
about
better
to
get
make it to
some on our
$70,000.
other
That's the
side. You
thing.
better get the
So once I
one
make it to
to
60,000.
northwest.
Oh shoot, forgot. Deploy probe. And good lord, I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up. I gotta
We're
hurry up
chilling. I don't need to
and close the
deploy.
damn hatch.
Y'all playing Hell City or Twisted?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. The one that hit Viraqua, it's already a game. Oh man, there's a pink TBS
Nope,
about to
we
hit
core.
Hiram. Just
Alright,
like
get your
me,
probe.
gonna clip it by just a miracle. Hold on, let me check. I got 86 max. What
iGen
about you?
probe. I didn't even get over
Dang.
30.
Well, what about in the Mesonex?
Yeah.
Well, good golly, at least I got some money. Barely over 200 though. And now the one down east is dead. Oh, would you look at that? The pink TBS that was
Wow.
about to hit Hiram shifted up north.
No, I
Do we
think
keep
once we get to
chasing this
back
one
to
or try and
Prior
move up
Lake, we're
north?
gonna end out this video and something else. We're gonna end out this video at Truckies.
Alright then. Do we tell the viewers about what happened to
No,
Ham while we weren't recording?
that's
Or do we keep that a secret?
if you are coming
Alright,
from
because
if you
um
heard about Dark Wolf and he's a good
I
twisted
don't
YouTuber. What is that Tornado Wrangler doing? I basically got inspiration out of him, and if you watch his stream, I was the newbie on his server. So I was basically one of the main people there. A lot of people, we had some pretty fun times and some pretty funny moments. Please go watch him. Watching him is
Especially
fun.
me.
You should go watch him, subscribe to his channel, do all the other stuff. I don't really care. But that's gonna be the end of our video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and see ya later.